Uni cost could arrive at a limit of $13.69 toward the finish of 2023. Uniswap cost with a potential flood might reach $65.89 toward the finish of 2030. DeFis have appeared with the possibility of no mediators. The area is going standard in the business, as financial backers are currently assessing advanced resources in light of its TVL and DeFi, among different elements. Since its commencement, the Uni has filled in as trustless and exceptionally decentralized monetary foundation. In the wake of demonstrating item market fit for exceptionally decentralized monetary foundation, a stage that has flourished freely, Uniswap is presently especially strategically situated for local area-drove development, advancement, and self-supportability. Uniswap, a noticeable digital currency from this area, intends to bring more noteworthy decentralization. The convention's local resource Uni is under the dynamic thought of advertisers. Is it safe to say that you are thinking about putting resources into Uni, however, are questionable about its future possibilities? Then, at that point, look no further as we disentangle the conceivable Uniswap cost expectation 2023 to 2025 in the years to come. The presentation of Uni fills this need, empowering shared local area possession in a lively, various, and committed administration framework, which will effectively direct the convention towards what's in store. The flow supply of Uni on ETH has shown a flood in the new past. The advanced resource could look for additional consideration from advertisers as it gives a simple method for trading coins. Uniswap cost for 2023 could go from $9.27 to $13.69. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is a notable decentralized exchanging convention based on the Ethereum blockchain, which plans to work with the robotized exchanging of DeFi tokens. The convention empowers clients to trade any ERC20 token, including the local ETH token, without brokers. Anybody with an Ethereum address can add to the trade's liquidity and acquire from it. Uni is the local badge of the Uniswap convention and qualifies its holders for administration freedoms. This implies that Uni holders can decide on changes to the convention. The tokens were sent off in an airdrop to large number of clients in mid-September 2020. Uniswap Value Forecast 2023. The Uniswap convention is claimed and represented by Uni token holders. Uni holders are liable for guaranteeing the administration choice which are made relevant for regulations and guidelines of the framework. The progress from POW to evidence of stake was the single biggest change to hinder working in Ethereum history. While it had many expansive advantages for the environment overall, it had unseen side effects on TWAP profits. Assuming Uniswap builds up bullish speed from the levels of the earlier year, the cost could brush its likely high of $13.69. On the other side, assuming that the bears offset the bulls, the cost could plunge to $9.27. All things considered, with just normal exchanges without bullish impetuses, the cost could settle at $11.46. Uni Crypto Value Expectation 2024. The year 2024 remaining parts basic for the crypto business, as it denotes the splitting of Bitcoin. The occasion holds the possibility to launch a bull season. In such a case, the cost of the altcoin could raise to its likely high of $19.85. On the drawback, factors like administrative clampdown could torment the value down to $15.63. Progressively, the typical exchanging cost could happen at $17.80. Uniswap Value Forecast 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, Uniswap would be developing its client base, which would look for stimulus as the convention makes liquidity. It could focus on fresher activities to upgrade the convention to make it more easy to understand. All things considered, toward the finish of 2025, Uniswap cost expectation 2025 could hit its possible high of $24.33, while customary trading tensions could restrict the end cost to $21.61. Contrastingly, the cost could plunge to $18.76 assuming that it neglects to meet the market assumption. Uniswap coin cost 2026, as indicated by our examiners. Uni crypto cost for the year 2026 could go between $22.91 to $28.94, and the typical cost of Uniswap could be around $25.89. Uni Crypto Value Expectation 2027, as indicated by our examiners. Uniswap cost for the year 2027 could go between $26.53 to $34.11, and the typical cost of Uni could be around $30.15. Uniswap crypto cost 2028. As per our investigators, Unicoin cost for the year 2028 could go between $31.69 to $41.26, and the typical Uniswap cost could be around $36.85. Uni Value Expectation 2029. as indicated by our examiners. Uniswap crypto cost for the year 2029 could run between $40.97 to $52.66, and the typical uni cost could be around $46.32. Uniswap value expectation 2030, as indicated by our examiners. Unicoin cost for the year 2030 could go between $51.62 to $65.89, and the typical cost of Uniswap could be around $58.59. Uniswap value forecast. According to Figured Out Uniswap cost forecast, explicit joint efforts and organizations could help the convention, in this way impelling the cost to $13.69 toward the finish of 2023. On the other side, the cost might drop to $9.27, assuming Uni neglects to focus on specific turns of events. All things considered, we can anticipate normal degrees of $11.46, assuming the advanced resource avoids responding to advertised opinion. Principal examination. Uniswap is a decentralized trade established by Hayden Adams in November 2018. The convention exists as two shrewd agreements facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and a public, open-source front-end client. It's a 100% on-chain market creator permitting the trading of ERC20 tokens, ETH to an ERC20, as well as the other way around. Uniswap owes accomplishment to a large number of local area individuals have joined its excursion throughout the course of recent years. These early local area individuals will normally act as capable stewards of Uniswap. With advancements in blockchain, Web3 expects to recover client protection and decision following quite a while of web organizations that have taken advantage of it. Uniswap Labs shares these qualities and is attempting to be a forerunner in this work. Uniswap verifiable market feelings 2020 to 2022. Uniswap entered the crypto market on the 17th of September with an exchanging cost of $2.94. In any case, the cost decisively flooded to $6.96 2 days after the send-off, as it was recorded on a few trades. Surprisingly, Uni plunged to $3.98 by mid-September and figured out how to reach $5.02 towards September's end. The cost arrived at its opposition level by mid-November and stayed at $3. Toward the finish of 2020, Uni was exchanging at $4.62. Uniswap advanced toward 2021 with an exchanging cost of $4.97. Uni hit $34.77 to enroll another record-breaking high on the 7th of spring. In any case, the cost tumbled by practically half after the accident on the 19th of May. In August, recapturing the cost force, Uni's value flooded to $30.46 from $14. Then, at that point, with a slight pullback, the resource exchanged at around $25 until November. After unstable weeks, the year was shut at $16.23. Uni cost made it to 2022 with a sticker price of $16.80. Similarly, as the computerized resource fired getting steam, it was moved to $14.49 by the 8th of January. While the numbers rose to $18.18 throughout the week, the advantage was brief, as the value